Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the text layout for your screen recordings using the Loom screen recording application. So let us get started. So guys, for this method, launch the Loom screen recording app on your device, like your desktop computer or on your laptop. And here in the screen recording controls, what you want to do is navigate to the effects tab at the bottom. Here switch from backgrounds to canvas or canvases. And here, scroll down and you will see this text layouts section just below backgrounds and templates for your meetings, for instance. So what you want to do is use one of these text layouts like empty or slide 1 centered, slide 2 and so on and so forth. And then you will see the effect applied in the background for your presentation here. If you'd like to, I don't know, create a presentation with texts and show it to your video meeting invitees or participants. So if you click into it, you'll be given the opportunity to insert a text like a PowerPoint presentation within a video recording session or screen recording session. And that's how it works, guys. So don't forget to navigate to the previous menu and start the recording by using these controls here, because as you can see, the screen is not being recorded right now via Loom. Well, I'm recording it for the video with OBS here, but as you can see, the Loom screen recording hasn't started yet. So you will need to do this, click into start recording here, and then you can use these text layouts in the background for your presentation or video meeting. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.